Welcome to Investor Web, your trusted source for investment knowledge. We're here to clear the fog on complex financial concepts, offering you the insights you need to navigate the investment landscape. Today, we're demystifying a topic that often leaves many scratching their heads: traditional annuities. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting your financial journey, understanding how annuities work can be a game changer. So get ready to expand your financial acumen. Stay tuned as we delve into the fascinating world of traditional annuities. To start, you might wonder, what exactly is a traditional annuity? Well, let's dive into this financial concept together. A traditional annuity, in its simplest form, is a financial product that's sold by insurance companies. It's designed to accept and grow funds from an individual, and upon annuitization to churn out a stream of payments to that individual at a later point in time. Picture this: you've been saving diligently throughout your career, and now you're looking at the sunset years of your life. You want assurance that you'll have a steady flow of income during your retirement years, and you decide to buy an annuity. You make an investment in the annuity, and it then makes payments to you on a future date or series of dates. The income you receive from an annuity can be doled out monthly, quarterly, annually, or even in a lump sum payment. Now you might ask, how does a traditional annuity differ from other investment options? The key difference lies in the guaranteed income. While other investments such as stocks and bonds have the potential for high returns, they also come with a level of risk. On the other hand, once you invest in a traditional annuity, the insurance company guarantees a certain payout, providing a safety net of sorts for your retirement income. It's also worth noting that the money you invest in an annuity grows tax-deferred. This means you won't pay taxes on your investment gains until you start receiving annuity payments. This tax deferment allows your investment to grow at a faster rate than it might in a taxable investment account. In essence, a traditional annuity is a contract between you and an insurance company designed to meet retirement and other long-range goals. It offers the promise of steady income, the safety of guaranteed returns, and the advantage of tax-deferred growth. But like any financial decision, it's important to understand the details and seek professional advice before jumping in. After all, your retirement is not a rehearsal, it's the main event. Now that we know what a traditional annuity is, let's dive deeper into how it works. A traditional annuity is a long-term investment that you purchase from an insurance company. It's a financial product designed to provide a steady income stream, typically during retirement. The process of buying a traditional annuity starts with you, the investor, making either a single lump sum payment or a series of payments over a period of time to the insurance company. This brings us to the first phase of an annuity, the accumulation phase. This is the period of time when you're actively paying into the annuity. The money you put into the annuity, known as premiums, are invested by the insurance company. The goal during this phase is to accumulate as much funds as possible. The larger your accumulated amount, the larger your eventual payouts will be. Now let's talk about the second phase, the distribution phase or the annuitization phase. This is when the annuity starts to pay out. The distribution phase begins at a predetermined date that you and the insurance company agree upon when you purchase the annuity. It could be immediately after the accumulation phase, or it could start many years down the line, like at the point of retirement. During the distribution phase, the insurance company makes regular payments to you. These payments can be monthly, quarterly, annually, or even a lump sum, depending on your agreement. The amount of each payment is determined by several factors, including the total amount of money in your annuity, your life expectancy, and the terms of your contract. One of the key features of a traditional annuity is that it guarantees a minimum rate of return. This means that even if the markets perform poorly, you're assured a minimum income. However, if the markets perform well, your payments could increase. So you see, a traditional annuity as a way to secure a steady stream of income during your retirement years. It's a financial tool that allows you to put money away, let it grow, and then receive a guaranteed payout, providing a sense of financial security and peace of mind. You might be wondering, why should I consider a traditional annuity? Well, let's delve into the key benefits that make traditional annuities a compelling choice for many. Firstly, let's talk about tax-deferred growth. When you invest in a traditional annuity, your money grows tax-deferred. This means you won't pay taxes on your earnings until you start to withdraw them. It's like planting a seed and watching it grow over time, without any pesky birds, or in this case taxes, picking at it. This allows your investment to grow at a faster rate compared to taxable investments. Secondly, there's the allure of guaranteed income. Once you've retired and decide to start withdrawing from your annuity, you're guaranteed a steady stream of income. It doesn't matter if the stock market is having a bad day, week, or year. Your income remains unaffected. It's like having a paycheck even after you've stopped working. And who doesn't love the sound of that? Now let's address the elephant in the room, the longevity risk. That's the risk of outliving your savings. As medical science advances, people are living longer. It's a blessing, of course, but it also means you need to plan your finances for a longer retirement. With a traditional annuity, you don't have to worry about this. Your annuity will continue to pay you for as long as you live, thereby protecting you against longevity risk. It's like an insurance against outliving your money. Lastly, and this is a point often overlooked, traditional annuities can provide a psychological benefit. Knowing you have a reliable source of income can give you peace of mind. It's like having a financial safety net, allowing you to enjoy your retirement without constantly worrying about money. So, are traditional annuities sounding more appealing now? They offer tax-deferred growth, guaranteed income, protection against longevity risk, and peace of mind. But just like any other financial decision, it's important to consider your individual circumstances and seek professional advice. Hence, traditional annuities can offer a safety net, providing financial security and peace of mind in your golden years. Before jumping into this investment, there are a few things to consider. Traditional annuities can be advantageous, but as with all investments, they come with their own set of potential downsides or risks. It's important to be aware of these before you dive in. One of the chief considerations is the fees. Traditional annuities often come with a variety of fees, such as management fees, mortality and expense risk charges, and administrative fees. These fees can eat into your returns over time, so it's crucial to understand them fully before you invest. Another critical factor is surrender charges. If you decide to withdraw your money early, you might be hit with a surrender charge. This can be a significant percentage of your investment, particularly if you withdraw within the first few years. It's essential to consider whether you can afford to leave your money untouched for the duration of the surrender period. The risk of the insurer's insolvency is another consideration. If the insurance company that issued your annuity goes bankrupt, your investment could be at risk. While there are protections in place in many jurisdictions to protect annuity holders in the event of insolvency, these protections are often capped at a certain amount. It's important to research the financial strength of the insurance company you're considering. Lastly, remember that traditional annuities are by nature long-term investments. They're generally not suitable for short-term financial goals or for those who may need access to their money at short notice. In conclusion, while traditional annuities can offer steady income and tax benefits, they're not without their drawbacks. The fees, surrender charges, risk of insolvency, and long-term nature of these investments are all factors to consider before you decide to invest. It's crucial to weigh these factors before making the decision to invest in a traditional annuity. We've covered a lot today about traditional annuities, haven't we? We've broken down what traditional annuities are, how they work, and the benefits they provide. We've also touched on some important considerations before diving into this type of investment. Let's quickly recap. Traditional annuities are contracts with an insurance company. You pay them a lump sum or a series of payments, and in return they promise to provide you with a steady income stream, either immediately or at some point in the future. The benefits include tax-deferred growth, a guaranteed income for life, and the potential for a death benefit for your heirs. But remember, traditional annuities are not one-size-fits-all. They are complex financial products with their own set of rules and fees. It's crucial to understand the contract terms, the cost, and the payout options before you commit. If you're considering an annuity, we encourage you to do your homework. Research the different types of annuities, the companies that offer them, and the risks involved. Consult with a financial advisor who can help you understand if an annuity is the right fit for your financial goals and risk tolerance. The world of investment can be complex, but with the right knowledge and guidance, it can also be incredibly rewarding. Traditional annuities are just one of the many tools you can use to secure your financial future. Thank you for joining us on InvestorWeb. Don't forget to subscribe for more investment insights. Until next time, keep investing wisely.